You cooked in the wrong way all your life and you didn't know it. Pay close attention, since 99% of people don't know what I'm going to show you next, and once you know it, you'll start doing it today. When cooking at home, many people make a mistake they don't know they're making. Maybe it happened to you that you are seasoning some stew or seasoning some meat, and when using the spices, many of the containers tend to look alike, which causes us to confuse their color, and that instead of using the right spice, we end up adding the wrong one. What I'm telling you was something that happened to me the other day, and what I cooked got lost. Searching the internet, I came across an incredible trick that will help you better identify the containers so that this never happens to you again. This trick will make the containers look very nice and tidy, and it's done easily by using just a blank sheet of paper and tape. To begin, the first thing we'll do is take a pen or marker of the color you prefer, and we'll write on the blank sheet the list of spices or ingredients we have in our kitchen. I'm sure this trick will surprise you a lot. Now we take the tape and stick different pieces on what we wrote. In my case, I only wrote a few to show you how the trick works. With the end of the marker, we're going to put pressure on the sheet so that it sticks well. Later, you'll know why we do this. Then we take a scissor and cut the edges of the letters separately, as I show you. I'd like to know which country you're watching me from to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Lourdes Contreras from El Salvador. Once this is done, we go to the tap and we're going to wet the sheets until the paper is soaked. With the help of your fingers, we're going to remove the paper from the tape. At this point, you'll notice that the ink from the pen has stuck to the tape. And now we go to where we have the containers with the spices and we stick the tape on it. We did this to name and differentiate one spice from another. That way, we avoid confusing the spices when cooking to do it correctly. If you found this idea interesting, leave me a comment below. Tape for my kitchen. That way I'll know you stayed until the end.